A wet Wednesday with seasonal temperatures already tracking some showers here. These have so far affected the beaches up through Wonderwood and continue Fort Caroline and across the river. We'll look for these slowly to fade away throughout the morning, but there's a lot more to come throughout the afternoon. Let's take you into and beyond our radar here as our stationary front and low pressure area continue to pump that Gulf moisture along the Big Bend region and across the Panhandle. The potential for some locally heavy rainfall there. Here locally, 60% chance for showers and storms, some of which could also be locally heavy, and that's the issue, is that we could see several rounds here between today, tomorrow, into our Friday forecast, and that could leave some areas with standing water as we approach the weekend. Some good news, though, for the weekend. We're starting to see chances drop off on Sunday, so if you're sticking around here locally for the Jags game, just a 30% chance right now under those partly cloudy skies, and that's the way we'll get you into the work week, the limited rain chances there as we look ahead, but we've got those wet days to get through between now and through Saturday afternoon, early evening. Your Weather Authority forecast always just a click away at News4JAX, a shout away on your favorite devices.